Hello friends, my name is Arjun and today I will make a scratch. So I will take three sprites. This same three cats. Name the first sprite A, second sprite B, and third sprite C. Now go to A and now position them like this. Position and also take this. Go to stage, choose a backdrop and go to music, take this and take spotlight. Put this one here, A here, like this, and C. Put C here and B up here on the stage, like this. Now go to A, go to when flag, go to events and take when flag click. Then go to control and take a forever block and four weight blocks like this. Now go to motion, change Y by 50 and now wait 1 second and now again change Y by -50. Take another wait one. Now go to change X by 30 and again take a wait block, put change X by -30 and put a wait 1 second lock. Now A's coding is done. So let's play the flag. It's perfect. Now drag this thing onto the B and just and it's in B now. So now let's see the two. Take this again and put it into C. Let's see. And it's here. Let's see it. Stop and replay. It's fantastic. Now B is done, C is done, everything is done except one thing. Go to this stage here. Now go to events, take one green flag clicked, go to control and now go to sounds, but not here. Here, up here sounds and take a sound. You can just take pop or anything, but I am taking a special sound. It has come. Now delete the other sounds. You can take any sound like this that feels French feels. Let's go to the code again. Put the play sound here like this, and also take another French flag like this. Go to looks and take change color effect by 25. Now let's play it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.